Hey, we're in Prague, the capital of the Czech Republic. Here's the plan. Old Town, a cruise down the Vltava River, and a souvenir cap. Prague's main train station is stunning. What architecture! This is that international railway vibe. But it's time to dive into Prague. Come along. I'm on the Prague Embankment and the picture is unreal, like I stepped straight into a postcard. The Vltava is the longest river in the Czech Republic, 430 kilometers, flowing entirely inside this one country. On the far bank, there's a pier. I can see my boat and that's where I'm headed. I'll walk across Čechův Bridge. Here's the route on Google Maps. The view of the old town and the Vltava is mesmerizing. It's a magnet. And just like that, I'm at Čechův Bridge, over 600 years old and still standing. Construction began in 1357 under King Charles IV. The bridge is named after him. Legend says Charles laid the first stone on July 9th at 5:31 in the morning. A perfect palindrome. 1-3-5-7-9-7-5-3-1. It replaced the old Judith Bridge, washed away by a flood in 1342. For more than 400 years, this was the only bridge connecting the two sides of Prague. It stretches 516 meters across the river and rests on 16 arches. The 30 Baroque statues weren't added until the 16 and 1700s. The most famous one is St. John of Nepomuc. Thrown off this very bridge in 1393. They say if you touch his bronze plaque, you'll come back to Prague one day. Legend has it, eggs were mixed into the mortar to make the bridge stronger. A centuries-old mystery. This bridge has survived wars, floods, and 600 years of footsteps. The Old Town Bridge Tower behind me is one of the most beautiful Gothic towers in all of Europe. By day, it's packed with artists and musicians, but right now, it feels like a different world. Every stone has been polished smooth by millions of hands over the centuries. From here, you get the most iconic view of Prague Castle rising over the water. Most of the statues you see today are replicas. The originals sit safe in a museum. Touching the cross, where St. John was thrown, is said to grant a single wish. The bridge even has its own legends, and the spookiest one hides right beneath the surface. But I can't stand here all day. My boat is waiting on the other side. One last look. Čechův Bridge doesn't just connect two banks, it connects 6 centuries. Here's the river cruise pier. This is where I need to be, and where they sell the tickets. I can see it, my boat right next to Čechův Bridge. An adult ticket is 18 euros for a 50-minute cruise. Not bad. I bought my ticket. But the boat sailed off without me. Total fail. I'm getting a refund. Here's the right location. I grabbed a taxi, and now I'm here. That driver was flying. This is a mega pier. I need a new ticket. There's a schedule. The Anna Carolina is waiting for me. Here are the ticket counters. I bought my ticket. And I'll grab an info booklet. Heading to the boat now. This boat is 100% electric, a real river Tesla. The boat has 2 decks, a closed lower one and an open air upper one. Let's start with the lower deck. Oh, there's a restaurant, a bar, a lounge, and AC, nice. Let's check the menu. Great selection and a great markup. I'll order when I'm rich. They have seasonal cocktails, probably delicious, good to know. 10 seconds to departure. The countdown is on. Our boat has officially set sail. I'm on the cruise. This is unreal. Let's head up to the second deck for some fresh air. There's the Faculty of Law of Charles University. Over there is Čechův Bridge, named after the writer Svatopluk Čech, and the only Art Nouveau bridge in Prague. And that's the office of the government of the Czech Republic, the seat of the country's executive power. Now we're passing under Manus Bridge, built in the early 1900s in the functionalist style. We're passing under Manus Bridge, its clean concrete arches almost framing the city for us. Straight ahead is Charles Bridge, and from the water, the view is overwhelming, pure majesty. On the hill rises Prague Castle, absolutely unreal. Over there is the photo spot by Charles Bridge, where every postcard you've ever seen was taken, and that's the Franz Kafka Museum, dedicated to the writer who turned Prague itself into a character. On the left, at the start of Charles Bridge, rises the Old Town Bridge Tower, one of the most beautiful Gothic towers in Europe. We're floating right under Charles Bridge, and it's breathtaking. History is literally above us, or are we passing under it? Our boat turns around, and there I spot Lichtenstein Palace, a Baroque jewel right on the riverbank. The Smetana Museum, honoring the composer who gave the Vltava its most famous melody. Small boats made specifically for exploring the narrow channels. The Vltava Embankment near Charles Bridge, glowing in the evening light. That's when navigation on the river takes a short break and everything goes quiet. Marina Ristorante, a floating Italian restaurant docked right on the water. Manus Bridge again. And by the way, why does the Old Town Stop get its name? Because Stare Miesto is the historic heart where Prague was born. On the left behind the bridge is the Academy of Arts, Architecture and Design, a true temple of creativity. I'm at the stern of the boat and the flag of the Czech Republic is flying right above me. Our boat runs on electric power, so eco-friendly. Now we're about to pass under Czech Bridge again. Under Czech Bridge, the Iron Arch is a genuinely fascinating structure. On the right is the President Hotel Prague, a landmark of socialist-era architecture. Just look at that blue sky. It's beautiful. And here's a question. Which countries can you actually reach by river cruise from Prague? Oh, and this is the Ministry of Industry and Trade. What a striking style. Now we're passing under Stefanik Bridge, a functionalist giant. Hotel Albatross, a hotel that floats directly on the water. I'm heading down to the lower deck. Cool stairs. The boat was built at Schiffswerft, Bola Shipyard, and the letter B is my lucky letter. There's a restroom at the stern, a real plus, and everything works. I'll sit by the bar for a bit, soft sofas, and the view from the window is unreal. Time to send some fresh photos to the ViaSvit community. The bar menu is lovely, but I'll stick with sparkling water. The mood is great. Motion creates emotion. The Anna Carolina has docked. Everyone ashore. Thank you for watching this far. I'd really appreciate your like.